If you really want to eliminate fungus on your toenails, you need to know this. Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? My name is Sarah and today I am going to tell you all the truth you need to know about Kerassentials before you finally buy the product. I'm going to pass on to you an extremely important alert involving Kerassentials, so stay tuned until the end of this video so you don't miss it. Really, Kerassentials is having a lot of success on the market and has caught the attention of several people on the internet for being an all-natural supplement that has lots of antifungal properties to fight skin and nail fungus and other infections. On its official website, we can find testimonials from customers who are really very satisfied with the use of Kerassentials. But is Kerassentials really good and does it work? And the truth is that Kerassentials essential oils promote the growth of male keratin and fight fungal infections. Keratin makes your nails look healthy and beautiful. In addition, keratin also ensures that fungal infections are considerably reduced. The vitamins and minerals in Kerassentials promote a beautiful appearance of the skin and nails. So yes, you can trust this product, and better, you can also get great results by taking the treatment seriously and applying Kerassentials every day to your nails. But the big warning is be very careful about the website from which you are going to buy Kerassentials, because it is only sold on its official website. So keep in mind that the original product which will really give you results is only sold on the official website. To help you, I have left the link to the official website below in the description box of this video. When you are done watching this video, click on the link here below and draw your own conclusions. But first, I would like to tell you one last warning. You need to know that every body responds differently to treatment. I say this so that you start your treatment on the right foot with focus and determination using the original product. Use Kerassentials 4 times a day every day, twice in the morning and twice in the afternoon, to accelerate your results even more. To apply to nails, use the included brush applicator. If you can start with the kit with 3 bottles of Kerassentials, this is recommended for you to follow the full recommended treatment. And one point that really excited me was the fact that if the product doesn't work, the manufacturer returns 100% of the entire investment. So you get a full refund. It is important to repeat again that you need to apply Kerassentials to your nails every day. And for sure, as long as you follow the treatment seriously, you can see the initial results already in the first month. And just to finish, Kerassentials is designed for all ages and medical conditions. Kerassentials is manufactured in an FDA-approved facility under sterile, strict and precise standards. So that's it. And remember, you can only buy the original product on the official website that I left here below in the description box of this video for you. Okay, now do your part. Take the treatment correctly and take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else's because everybody acts in a different way. I really hope this video helped you. Come back here in the comments later and tell us about your results.